Hi everybody, this is Prof. John and welcome to week 2, University 101, Introduction to the General Education Experience. So what we have for this week, let's go to D2L and we are going to talk with more details. Let's see here. So general reminders, use your institutional email and or your D2L webpage because there you're going to find all the announcements in a weekly basis. Any information I post on D2L is the same information I email you. So just to give you the possibilities to have the information twice, is the same information so that you don't miss any important assignment. Another important thing is that we have a specific due dates for this course. Remember, it's not a self-paced course. We do have deadlines. We have specific days for completion of activities, including the weekly reflection, discussion posts, and any other assignment we have. So where you can find them, calendar here on D2L and upcoming events. Although you have a specific due dates, for example, if we click on content, you're gonna reach week 2. And week 2 starts on July the 7th and on July the 10th to July the 16th. Most of the due dates are for the 16th. However, you can start working from the beginning of the week so that you don't have to wait until the last moment. And what we have on week 2, where I am from. So this week, we're going to have our first readings for from the YCAS Perspective book. That is an open educational resource available for everybody. So the first thing first, what we have to do here. Explore step by step. If we have the overview is supposed to be read because there you have what is the purpose of the week, what are the learning outcomes, what are the reading and activities. Important here that you have to complete first the readings and then go and do the reflections and the discussion post. Some videos to watch, some quiz to take, and some websites that are going to be useful for you. And the corresponding assignments for the week, weekly reflection, and weekly discussions. If we come back, we have also the readings here link. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 readings for this week. Make sure to complete them accordingly. They are supposed to be short readings, easy to understand for anybody. And what is the main idea with this? That you can get inspired from the University of Arizona alumni, graduate students, instructors, professors, etc., members of our communities. So make sure to read them before completing your reflection. That's why the readings are first and the reflection. Also, the reflection is due by the end of the week. Make sure to provide complete responses, contextualized responses, and make sure to review the guidelines that are important for this as well. Watch the corresponding videos, complete the corresponding quiz, and discuss on week 2 your academic SWOT. So for this one, we will have an activity that I will email you this today, actually, so that you can have it by the end of the week, whenever you finish the discussion post. So if we come back to the readings, let's see, reflection on the self. I'm going to choose this one just to show you that every single reading is linked to an external source. And this external source is an open educational resource. So as you notice, we have the title of the reading, who's the author, and some 5, 6 paragraphs of information. Do you remember that last week, actually 2 weeks ago, I asked you to install Hypothesis? So Hypothesis is this little H here. If you click on it, let me move it, you're going to see these 2 icons. There are no annotations yet because this week we're going to start with the annotation. And the annotation are easy. Once you are logged in with Hypothesis, you activate it, you are going to select part of the test and you're going to leave a comment and annotations. For example, when I was a kid, I had several diaries tucked within the many books on my shelf, diaries in which I was inspired to write each day. Oh my gosh. Let's say that I select this section. I can say highlight. I haven't done anything yet. Or I have to say, okay, having a record of my life. This one, besides having highlighted, I will put an annotation there. I also start writing in a journal, diary. Yes. I do not remember where I leave them. Okay, where I left them. But it still help me remember my previous self. For example, I will leave this annotation within our annotation tool, that is hypothesis. I post it and anybody within our group can see my annotations. What I'm asking you, as I mentioned in the first email, leave an annotation per reading. That's all. If you have 7 readings this week, I am expecting 7 annotations. These annotations are going to help you to get inspired and complete your reflections accordingly. That's the thing I have just to remember you, actually to remind you. And, bilingual issues. So other than that, if you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. I will post this video right away I finish it. And feel free to email me if you have any questions. Feel free to set an appointment for office hours. I will be more than glad to help you out. And let's enjoy this week too. And if any questions, just let me know. Have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your week. Bye-bye. Yeah.